Hello, this is a screencast of my website for CMIS314. My name's Tyson, and I'll just walk you through it real quick. First of all, I just wanted to show you the databases that were used. There was one database called Receipt Warehouse DB. It had three tables, one called Log, one called Receipt, and one called User Data. User Data basically stored all the user data. And you can see the values down here. It had user ID, username, password, first name, last name. The log database just tracked all the actions that happened on the website. So when somebody logged in, or somebody typed in a bad password, or they added a new item to their database, so username, what had actually happened, and a timestamp. And the most important one is the receipt database. Which actually stores the items, so it has item ID, what it is, the price, store-bought, the category, receipt number, path to receipt, and username. Okay. Now with that in mind, I'll just quickly go over the actual website itself. So the home page, the About Us page, you would have seen all this in the second assignment. Contact Us. It doesn't actually do anything in regards of actually sending emails, but it just pops up a little message saying that something's actually happened. And now a user can register for the web page by filling out the fields. And what that does, it displays the message that it was successful. And we can also see it added the new registration and the new user is also in the database. Now with that in mind, we can actually log in. And as soon as you log in successfully, it does make a log in the actual log database, and you can start putting items in. Category, tools, submit. So it says it's added the item hammer to the database for the test user. Let's say they bought some more stuff at this store. Okay, maybe they bought a shirt. $4.99 at Walmart. Clothing and receipt are completely different. Okay, so once they've added a few items, they can generate their reports. They can get the total, which gives them the total cost right here, and also a breakdown below. If they go store purchased, and click the button, so only the items shown at Home Depot show up. And that also applies for receipt number. And we can use this receipt number too, just to see. So that one there. And we can also go by category. It shows the tools and clothing. Now if there's a mistake, like if something is forgotten, it generates error messages on the fly. Receipt number is not needed. So it shows all the error messages, and if the price ends up not being an actual price, it says price error. This also happens with this one. If you hit submit, it'll give you all the error messages as well. And that's the basics of the website. So we can log in as another user, which I've actually pre-filled out. You can do the receipts on this one. So there's more items, category, tools, and that's the basics of the actual website.